Do you consider doing something else than calling for dialogue in this particular conflict? Thank you.
I think we had the opportunity to discuss this a number of times. You know what our position is on Catalonia, and I am not going to move away from it. Yes.
Tonight, Mr. Juncker, President Juncker, is going to defend human rights in Turkey because a lot of our colleagues and politicians are jailed. So my question is, what arguments he's going to use amid this situation when Catalan elected leader finds himself locked in German jail and the other activists are also in jail just for organizing a referendum?
He will give a press conference after the meeting, so I would prefer for him to say how the meeting went instead of me sort of preempting how the meeting will go.
When these arrest warrant system was designed, we were told it was for terrorists, for child traffickers and the like. Is the Commission happy to see the European arrest warrant system being used to arrest people on the run on charges of sedition for organising a referendum?
It is not for the European Commission to comment on individual instances of such judicial cooperation.